to the Silly Kitchen. Today it's going to be another quick little recipe for you. I've actually been finding that I've been using my frying pan a lot more in the kitchen because my oven is always full of other stuff cooking. So I thought I'd show you a really fun and quick, easy way to make an awesome, tasty potato wedge. What I did is I took a bunch of potatoes and I boiled them first. So these guys are a little bit smaller. I did maybe 20 minutes in boiling salted water and took them out and let them cool. I actually used some last night, so I'm using the leftovers today to show you the recipe that we're making. And I'm just gonna let them cool, which I already did, and here we go. First thing you wanna do is cut your potatoes into wedges. So it's just a 4-way chop. So that's all you wanna do. And because I have a bunch of potatoes, I'm gonna do them all at the same time. I love potatoes. They are such a simple ingredient, but so versatile, so filling, so delicious. It's part of the beige food of category that is technically not good for you, you know, like pasta and bread in abundance. But as a little side dish, if you put way more vegetables and protein on your plate, having a few potatoes is just fine. I know, guys, super easy. I told you this was gonna be easy. And to be honest, this is one of those things that you can actually make a lot of ahead of time and then just reheat them in the oven or refry them on the frying pan if you have an abundance of potato wedges. They're even good if you want to sneak your little fingers into the fridge the next day and eat one cold. But that's it. I have all of these beautiful potatoes. I've left the skin on of these ones because I really like having a nice crisp. And I'm just gonna put them in the bowl and we're gonna take them over to the frying pan. What I want you to do now is put your frying pan up to high heat. So on my stovetop, because I know it and because I cook all the time on it, I know that's around the 7-8 mark on the dial for me. But you want the pan to get really hot and you want to pour oil in. Your favorite olive oil, seasoned olive oil. If you have something garlicky, that's always really great with potatoes. And get that oil nice and hot. Once you've got that oil nice and hot, this is where we're gonna drop in the potatoes, and you wanna lay them one of the cut sides down so that you get a nice crisp side on that potato. I love that sizzle. That is one of my favorite sounds. And keep it on that high heat because you want that nice crispy potato. Good time to start seasoning. Potatoes love salt, so don't be shy. Lots of oil, lots of salt. If you want, add some pepper as well. I'm just gonna do simple S&P potatoes, but if you have onions or if you want garlic potatoes, garlic and potatoes go really well together. Once you've got that nice, beautiful golden color on your potatoes, you can start flipping them over to the skin side down and get the skin a little bit crispy as your final turn. Oh, these are gonna be so good. Give it a little bit more salt on this side now that you flip them skin side down, because I like salt, but if you're watching your salt, then don't add any more salt. Like I said, garlic would be a great one too for this. And guys, that's it. We've got salt and pepper, this beautiful crust on these potatoes. I'm just gonna put them in a nice bowl so I can eat them, but also so I can take a nice picture of them and do some little videos so I can show you the close-up of these. The thing I love about this is because you can boil a whole bunch of potatoes. Let me just throw these in here. Perfect. What I love about these is that you can just boil a whole bunch of potatoes, get them cooked properly and soft in the middle, and then it only takes 6-7 minutes to get them beautiful and crispy like this. Super easy, great if you have leftover potatoes from the night before, or if you do a batch of mashed potatoes for one night and then save a few for doing something like this the next night. Potatoes are so versatile and so easy, and now they're so crispy. Out with hot Ow. Ow. And it's perfect because it's already cooked in the middle. So all I did was season it beautifully, give it a nice crisp, and now they're hot and ready to eat. Pretty perfect. I would eat this with veggies and protein on the side. One thing that would be really good is turning this into a poutine. Maybe I should think about doing that. Thank you for watching a quick little potato episode today on The Silly Kitchen. Remember, if you like seeing these recipes, if you like hanging out with me in the kitchen and seeing what I create, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me along. Thanks. See you next time.